Nature is a vast and complex entity that has fascinated people for centuries. Despite numerous advances in science and technology, there are still many aspects of nature that remain unknown and mysterious. From the depths of the ocean to the depths of space, there are still countless questions waiting to be answered. In this article, we'll explore some of nature's unknowns and explore the mysteries that scientists are still trying to unravel. Ocean. The ocean is one of the most interesting and mysterious parts of nature. Covering more than 70% of the Earth's surface, it is the largest and least explored habitat on the planet. Despite numerous expeditions, scientists have only discovered about 5% of the ocean's depths, and 95% of its mysteries are still unsolved. Some of the unknowns of the ocean include: location of deep-sea culverts. Deep-sea vents are areas where warm water spurts from the ocean floor to form unique and diverse ecosystems. Scientists have discovered only a handful of these holes, and there is much to learn about the species that inhabit these areas. Extent of deep-sea life. The depths of the ocean are teeming with life, but scientists are still trying to understand the extent of this diversity. The deep sea is a challenging environment to work with low light levels, high pressures, and extreme temperatures, but new technologies are allowing scientists to dig deeper and uncover new species and ecosystems. Causes of ocean currents. Ocean currents play a critical role in Earth's climate and weather patterns, but the precise mechanisms driving these currents are still poorly understood. Scientists study ocean currents to better understand their impact on the planet and predict future changes. Universe. The universe is one of nature's greatest puzzles, and scientists are constantly trying to understand its vastness and complexity. Some of the unknowns of the universe are: the nature of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter and dark energy are thought to make up more than 95% of the universe, but their exact nature is still a mystery. Scientists use a variety of techniques to study these elusive substances and understand their role in the universe. Origin of the universe. Although scientists have made significant advances in understanding the history of the universe, the exact origin and cause of the Big Bang is still unknown. Theories range from the creation of the universe by cosmic coincidence to the creation of the universe by a higher force. Existence of extraterrestrial life. Despite decades of research, scientists have yet to find any evidence of extraterrestrial life. However, with the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, the possibility of finding life beyond our solar system has increased even more. Scientists continue to study these exoplanets and look for signs of life. Human brain. The human brain is one of the most complex and mysterious parts of nature. Despite extensive research, scientists still have a lot to learn about how the brain works and the processes that underlie our thoughts and emotions. Some of the unknowns of the human brain are: the nature of consciousness. Consciousness is a complex and poorly understood phenomenon, and scientists are still trying to understand what causes it and how it arises. Some theories suggest that consciousness is a byproduct of brain function, while others suggest it is a separate entity. Mechanisms of memory. Memory is one of the most critical functions of the brain, but the exact mechanisms by which memories are created, stored, and retrieved are still poorly understood. Scientists are studying memory processes to better understand the brain and develop treatments for memory-related disorders. Causes of mental illness. Mental illness is a complex and challenging problem that affects millions of people worldwide. Despite extensive research, the exact causes of mental illness are still unknown, and there is more work to be done in this area. Scientists are investigating a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, and brain chemistry, to better understand and treat mental illness. As a result, nature is full of mysteries and unknowns, from the depths of the ocean to the depths of the universe. Despite numerous advances in science and technology, there is still much to learn about the world around us. As scientists continue to explore and study nature's unknowns, they will undoubtedly unlock new insights, providing a clearer picture of the world we live in. Continues for generations.